Hey guys, Chris Fix here. If your Ford F-150's parking brake is stuck or you see a parking brake malfunction warning, don't panic. This is a common issue with modern trucks using electronic parking brakes. Sometimes the system just needs a reset. Today, I'll show you a simple way to fix this at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. We'll cover what causes these glitches and walk through the reset step by step. Let's get your F-150 back on the road. The electronic parking brake, or EPB, in your Ford F-150 replaces the old handbrake lever with a simple dashboard switch. Just pull the button, and the system electronically activates the rear brake calipers, holding your truck securely in place. To release, press or pull the switch again and the motors disengage. No more stiff levers or cables. The EPB relies on your truck's battery and electronics. If there's a glitch or low battery, warning lights may appear. A quick reset or diagnostic scan usually clears these faults, keeping your F-150's parking brake working smoothly. Before resetting, check your battery. It should read at least 12.6 volts. Inspect the rear brake pads for wear. If they're worn out, replace them first. Look for damaged wires or corroded connectors at the rear calipers. If you've recently had brake work done, make sure it was performed correctly. Water or debris in connectors can also cause issues. Clean them if needed. Fix any obvious problems before attempting a reset. Now, let's move on to the reset procedure. Here's a quick guide to resetting your F-150's electronic parking brake. Follow these steps for a safe and proper reset. Sit in the driver's seat, close all doors, and turn the ignition on. Don't start the engine. Press and hold the brake pedal. Hold the parking brake switch down for 5 seconds. Then, pull the switch up and hold for 10 seconds. You may hear the motors or sea lights flash. This is normal. Release the switch and brake pedal. Turn the ignition off and wait 15 seconds. Start the engine and check if the warning light is gone. Test the parking brake. If it works and the light stays off, you're done. If not, don't worry. There are more steps to try next. If the warning light is still on after your initial checks, it's time to take things a step further. You'll need a more advanced scan tool, one that's capable of reading the specific fault codes stored in your F-150's parking brake module. These codes provide valuable clues about what's really going on behind the scenes, helping you avoid unnecessary guesswork and wasted time. Basic code readers just won't cut it for this job. You need a scan tool that can communicate directly with the ABS and EPB systems, since these are the modules responsible for controlling your electronic parking brake. Investing in the right tool can make all the difference in diagnosing the issue accurately. With the right scan tool, you'll be able to pinpoint whether the problem is a wiring issue, a faulty motor, or something else entirely. This level of detail helps you target your repairs and avoid replacing parts unnecessarily. If you're a DIY enthusiast, investing in a professional-grade scan tool is a smart move. Not only will it help you with this repair, but it'll also come in handy for future diagnostics on your F-150 or other vehicles you own. However, if you find yourself stuck, overwhelmed, or if the problem seems more complex than you expected, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Sometimes calling a professional is the best way to save time and avoid frustration. A qualified mechanic has the experience and specialized equipment to quickly diagnose and fix issues you've already narrowed down. They can interpret the fault codes, perform advanced tests, and get your F-150 back on the road safely. No matter which route you take, you've already made great progress by taking these first steps. With the right tools and approach, you're well on your way to getting your F-150 back in action and driving with confidence.